Hey, it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys a very special video because this is a collab video. That's right, I have collabed, I have teamed up with another YouTuber, and her name is BeautIeByMark. And she's really dope. I was super excited.
Hey you guys, my name is BeautIeByMark. I do have a YouTube channel here on the YT. It is about beauty and fashion and lifestyle. So I bring you guys wig content mostly a couple times a week. I do bring a couple other things. So today, as you guys can tell, I am teaming up with the Tamedom one, Miss Fashion Tamer herself. Yay! So we're teaming up to bring you guys a wig review today. We're going to bring you guys some waves and some middle parts, and we're going to do the flip of the hair, okay? After you guys watch this video, go ahead on and click the link in the description box below and come over to my channel and get the deets on this cute little wig. She is super cute. I love her. I am loving this hairline, you guys. You are really going to want to come get the tea on this one. So after you watch her video, come on over and give me a watch. I'll see y'all on the channel. Bye.
Super excited when she asked me to do this collab with her, and of course I had to. I jumped on the opportunity. I love her work. She's really dope. And of course, she's a black woman doing her thing on YouTube. And of course, we all know how I love a black owned business, and YouTube is definitely a business. So we brought you guys this collab to show you some really dopeness. The theme of our collab is sexy waves, just in time for Valentine's Day. And of course, you know, with it being at the end of January, you're trying to get all your things prepped and ready and looking for that right do, and you know, be cute on Valentine's Day. Now, personally, Valentine's Day has never been like, you know, a day for me because I've never really enjoyed it, but I do know there are some people out there that love the day and they want to be extra slayed on that day. So if I can help you, makes my day even better. So my particular unit during this collab is from Sensational Company. It's the Butter Unit. It's the Butter Unit 7. No, oh Lord, I done did so many Butter Units, I forgot y'all. It is the Butter Unit 9, and I got mine in a 1B, and she's actually really cute. I fell in love with her on the mannequin at work, so I did get this at my job, which is located in Duncanville, Texas, at Hey Beauty at the Concierge Wig Teak. Yeah. I was looking at this unit for the longest, and I freaking love it. Like, of course, it's a butter lace, so we all know it's going to give you natural hairline. I didn't do too much with mine. I just left it how it was and put a cute little headband on that I got from Be Glamorous Closet. That's on IG. So let's get into the details on this unit. So starting off, this is a butter lace unit, which everybody know it has the undetectable lace in the front and down the parting space. This is basically like a T-part wig. It's only in the middle part. You cannot move it any direction if you wanted to. You probably can like switch the wig around, but honestly, I tried to do it on the side, and it didn't look right. So I kind of kept mine in the middle and left it alone. But I do love the waves of the way she reminds me of a unit that Sensational makes called Amani, and Amani was one of my favorites, but she's a little bit more tamed down than Amani. I got mine in the color 1B. Of course, these the combs are located on the sides. You have one in the back, and along with the adjustable straps. This wig is big head friendly. I must add, it is big head friendly. But there is one con. There is one con. It is oh Lord, I don't even know how to explain it. If you do not know how to maneuver synthetic hair, because she is synthetic, if you don't know how to maneuver synthetic hair, this can raise as a challenge because the waves are done so beautifully, and like I said, they're perfectly sculpted. The issue is when you start to fluff this out, and I have not fluffed mine yet because I don't want mine fluffed, but when you start to fluff it out, it's already hard to get your hands through. But if you know for a fact you're going to keep it like this, you're good. You don't have anything to worry about. Let the bouncage bounce and be good to go. But just be mindful when you start to fluff this out, it is going to be difficult to kind of maintain and keep it detangled. There are detangling sprays that you guys can get, but on the safe side, if you know for a fact you want to keep it like this, do not mess with it. Literally, have it go one direction and leave it alone. It's like a cat. Pet it, leave it the hell alone. So yes, but overall, I do love this unit. I can definitely see myself rocking this unit just like this. Like I said, I'm not going to fluff mine out. Mine is going to stay just like this. I might spray some hairspray to make sure she stays like this. I like this unit. I don't have any issue with it. This is just me. But yes, of course, if you want to know how to purchase this unit, just definitely leave a comment below or head over to Hey Beauty DT Slays, and she'll actually show you how to get it mailed to you. And of course, if you're in the Dallas area, just make sure you just come by Duncanville, the Duncanville location. Well, we only have one location. Why am I rambling? I'm doing too much. Just come by the Concierge Wig Tea. Come copy you one, because I think we still have some in stock. And also, just remember, just a reminder, you guys, this collab was also done with another YouTuber by the name of what? BeautIeByMark. So definitely hit her up. Definitely check her out. I hope you guys were entertained. And for her babies that came over here just to check us out, welcome. We love you. We hope that you become a tame raider. And I hope my tame raiders show her love, because that's what we do here. We show love. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the tame one, drops another video. And until we meet again, my tame raiders,